What is digital marketing and how does it work? This is the magical question that a lot of people are asking. And so I want to make sure that you have this diagram and a complete understanding of how it all works. So digital marketing is just the medium that you market any product, business, or service on. I'm going to assume for this example that you already have a niche picked out, but I'm going to use health as the example niche as I go through this diagram. So digital marketing, how it works for beginners. Social media is the fastest and cheapest way to get in front of potential customers or clients and offer products and services that you're promoting. We're talking TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, X, Threads, Reddit, LinkedIn. There are so many different platforms that you can use. Pick a couple of the platforms that you like, but also a place where your customers are. 45 and older, they're going to be all over Facebook. Women are going to be in Pinterest. So you got to know the different platforms and the best place that you can find the audience that's going to be interested in the products and services that you have. You're going to set up brand new accounts and it's going to be around the subject that you're going to promote products in. So we're going to do health and wellness. And this is just kind of overall wellness, how to not eat foods that are bad for you. What are your good, healthy alternatives, simple exercises that you can do at home. Just really help people kind of get on that health track again. For creating content, you're going to use short form videos, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30-second videos. The shorter it is, the more people are going to see it because people have an attention span of a gnat these days. And if it's longer, so you are not going to get as many views unless you're really good at creating content, which it will happen in time. But in the beginning, start with the shorter form content. What you're going to do is just provide reliable content about the subject. For example, if I was in the health and wellness niche, what your body does after 30 days without eating sugar. That would be a great hook. And then you can just talk about the things that will happen to your body if you don't eat sugar for 30 days. Or what happens if you drink your body weight in ounces of water every day. How to boost your metabolism when you're over 40, how to lose those 5 or 10 pounds after you've had a baby. There's a lot of interesting content that you create that people are interested in hearing about and getting ideas on how they can improve their life. In every video that you do, you want to have a call to action. In the new account, you're going to want to do like and follow this video or share this video with a friend because you're trying to build an audience. You want to build that people want to know, like, and trust you. So in the beginning, it's just really follow to learn, and you can offer what is called a free lead magnet. A lead magnet is really just giving away a checklist, 10 recipes that I found are really helpful for me that are high protein and low fat, great keto recipes, carnivore diet recipes, great sugar-free desserts, a simple workout plan that you can do from your living room, the fastest way to drop 5 pounds during winter when you're not doing anything outside. There's so many different checklists or tips or guides that you can offer for free to your audience. The reason that you want to do this is your number one goal as a marketer is to collect an email. You don't own the social media platforms. Your accounts can get banned, they can get sold, they can get shut down like we see going on with TikTok. So it's really important that you build your email list because that's the only asset that you own as a marketer. You're going to offer a free guide. Hey, if you want a free guide, you want to comment this word. And then what we're able to do is use an automation called ManyChat. ManyChat is if somebody comments a word, they're going to get a comment auto-replied and they're going to get a DM from you. And in that DM, it's going to have a link to your opt-in page where they can get the free lead magnet. The link that you're going to send them can also be in your profile. If you set up your social media profile, you can talk about, I have the greatest 10 recipes that will help you keep your metabolism burning at a high level any time of the day. They can click in your profile or you will send them the link in a direct message to your opt-in page. So that's how you're going to get people to get to your opt-in page to get the free giveaway that you're offering. In the direct messages, you can actually build relationships with people and you can start having conversations and you can actually sell them much better if you just give it a little bit of time. Once you have their email, then they're going to go into a non-buyer email campaign. Now, the first email is going to send them out the free lead magnet that you offered. And then the next email, a day or 2 days later, is going to just provide value to the new subscriber. You don't want to sell to them right away. I know you want to make money, quickly, but you've got to kind of share information, share value, and let people know, like, and trust you. Same with email 3. Email 3 should be talking about more features and benefits, and here's some solutions that you can have to the problem that you're dealing with so that you can reach your goals at a much quicker pace. Just sharing information, teaching people what they can do to help themselves. And then on the 4th email or 5th email, however long you want to build that relationship, then you can offer the product. And so in the 4th email, you're going to have a link to the product that you're recommending so that they can go purchase. And this is going to take them to the second page of that sales funnel where this is your offer page or the affiliate sales page. On this, people can purchase immediately. Now, they will have a chance to purchase immediately when they opt into your email list the first time, because once they hit that submit button, it's automatically going to take them to the sales page. But most people don't buy the first time they see it. Very few will. So it's very important to get them on your email list so you can share or recommend the product over and over again. Plus, it just might be timing. They might be at work on the bathroom scrolling through and then sign up. They might be driving home from work watching some videos on their phone. They might be on vacation. They might have to wait until they get paid on Friday to buy what you have. You've just got to make sure that you are able to get back in touch with them and share information with them and provide value and help people. The more that you give away for free, the more people will want to buy from you eventually. Once they have purchased, then they're going to go into what is called a buyer email campaign. They're going to be taken out of the non-buyer campaign and put into a buyer campaign. Once they've bought, you're going to send them an email for thank you for purchase. Then you're going to offer additional help. And this is where if you're a coach or you have some services, you're an affiliate for of a coach that can help somebody, you can then recommend that they use them. This is where you can start offering additional help. Now, again, in this email campaign, just because they bought doesn't mean it's sell, sell, sell. You want to provide good value and help them along their journey. Now that you have this, these are some things that you want to do. What I have found really helps me is this additional product that's complementary to the initial product that they purchased. And this helps you sell more product. They could start getting meals sent to them from Fresh Start. They could get recipes. They could get weekly shopping lists with recipes for meals they could make that week. They could get workout programs that can be adjusted as they go through their journey. They might need some home dumbbells. They might need a jump rope. They might need a yoga mat. Whatever it is that you're promoting, there are complementary products that people are going to need to buy in order to fulfill their goal and to reach their goals quickly. You're going to have an initial product that's going to say, hey, this person is interested in this. And then you can start selling all these complementary products to the buyers in that buyer list. Now, if they only bought the initial product and they don't buy anything else from you after 90 days, you can put them back in the non-buyer campaign and start offering additional products and services, alternative products and services that they might be interested in, but it'll all be around that same subject. Hopefully that helps, and you can send unlimited emails. You write the emails one time, set up your email campaign, and now your business is automated. And when a new person comes in, they're going to get emails from you for an entire year. It takes time to set things up. You just kind of add an email to it occasionally here and there. And before you know it, you have a 1 or 2 year email campaign put in place. And so the new customers, when they come in, you're going to make money for the rest of your life. So this is how it started. This is what I wish I had. I hope this helped. If you want the diagram, type diagram. If you have any questions or comments, just go ahead and put those below. I do have some additional training that's available to teach you how to really do this. Honestly, the faster you learn it, the faster you can start developing your skills in it. There's no magic pill. It just doesn't happen overnight. But this is a really cost-friendly business model, affiliate marketing, easy to get involved with. You don't have to have a lot of money for inventory, and it's a great way to make money in 2024. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll send out more training videos for you that can help you in your journey.